Have you ever looked at one of those viral AI videos getting millions of views and wondered how people are making them? Most creators assume there's a team behind it, multiple AI tools, complicated prompts, and hours of editing. But what if you could recreate that same style of content using a single AI video agent? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I use Flova AI to recreate viral videos, generate cinematic scenes, and create content that looks incredibly close to what's currently trending online. And honestly, the most surprising part isn't the quality of the video itself. It's how simple the entire process has become. To start, I found a viral video style that was already performing well online. Instead of trying to manually study every camera angle, transition, and visual effect, I uploaded the reference video directly into Flova. This is where one of Flova's most impressive features comes in. Flova has a viral recreation skill that can analyze existing viral content and break it down into a complete production workflow. Within minutes, it identifies the shot structure, visual style, scene composition, transitions, and even the creative direction behind the video. Normally, this kind of analysis would take hours of research and experimentation, but Flova handles it automatically. What makes Flova different from most AI video tools is that it's not just a video generator, it's actually a conversational AI video agent. Instead of spending hours writing prompts and hoping for the best, you can literally chat with it like you're working with a creative team. If you don't know what video to make, you can ask Flova to brainstorm ideas with you. If you're trying to follow a trend, you can ask it to suggest new concepts. If you want to improve a scene, you simply tell it what you want changed. The entire workflow feels much more like directing a creative partner than operating software. Once the viral video was analyzed, I asked Flova to create a similar style video, but with my own unique theme and concept. Immediately, it started generating a complete storyboard. It created scene ideas, camera movements, visual directions, and narrative flow, all through a simple conversation. What I really like is how much control you have throughout the process. If I don't like a shot, I can edit the storyboard text directly. If I want a different mood, I can simply tell Flova to make it more cinematic, more dramatic, or more realistic. Instead of starting over every time something isn't perfect, I can continuously refine the project through conversation. The newest version of Flova also gives much more control over the creative workflow. You can directly edit storyboards, drag and drop reference assets, rearrange your workspace, and customize the interface however you like. But if you're someone who doesn't want to manage every detail, you can also let Flova handle most of the heavy lifting. It's flexible enough for both beginners and advanced creators. You can be completely hands-on, or you can sit back, grab a coffee, and let Flova build the project for you. After finalizing the storyboard, it was time to generate the actual video. This is usually the most frustrating part of AI video creation because most platforms require endless trial and error. You generate a scene, it doesn't look right, you rewrite the prompt, regenerate again, and repeat the process over and over. With Flova, the experience feels completely different. If I want smoother camera motion, I simply ask for it. If I want stronger visual effects, I tell Flova. If I want the scene to feel more like a blockbuster movie trailer, I just type that instruction into the chat. The AI agent handles the complex prompting and generation behind the scenes, allowing me to focus on the creative decisions instead of technical troubleshooting. Another huge advantage is that viral trends and monetization opportunities are constantly changing. The style that works today might be completely outdated next month. Because Flova integrates multiple leading AI models into a single platform, it allows creators to quickly adapt to new trends and visual styles without constantly learning new tools. That flexibility is incredibly valuable if you're serious about creating content consistently. One feature that really stands out is Flova's skill system. Skills are reusable creative workflows that help streamline the entire production process. The viral recreation skill I used in this example is just one type of skill available inside Flova. While some skills help analyze and recreate viral videos, Skills can also save your own production process, model choices, visual style, character assets, camera language, pacing, prompt structure, and generation settings. In other words, once you've built a workflow that consistently produces results you like, you can save it as a skill and reuse it in future projects. Flova offers many different skills for different creative directions and use cases. Whether you're creating cinematic storytelling videos, marketing content, social media campaigns, product showcases, educational content, or character-based videos, skills help you build repeatable systems that can be reused over and over again. This becomes incredibly powerful when you're producing content at scale. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can launch a proven workflow and generate content much faster. For creators, freelancers, and agencies, that means greater consistency, lower production costs, and a much more efficient content pipeline. Now for the moment of truth. After generating all the scenes, I compared my AI created version side by side with the original viral video. The results were honestly impressive. Looking at the shot composition, transitions, visual consistency, and overall atmosphere, it was surprising to see how close the recreation came to the original style. It's not an exact copy, and it shouldn't be, but the fact that one person can create something this similar using an AI video agent is a pretty strong indication of how far the technology has come. And this isn't just about creating cool videos for fun. There's a real business opportunity here. Content creators can use workflows like this to produce YouTube videos, social media content, advertisements, short films, and client projects much faster than traditional production methods. Freelancers can create marketing videos for businesses, creators can build faceless content channels, agencies can speed up production, and because the workflow is so much more efficient, the overall cost and time investment can be dramatically reduced. After using Flova, what impressed me most wasn't simply the video quality, it was the entire creative process. Having an AI agent that can brainstorm ideas, analyze trends, build storyboards, generate scenes, and help refine projects through natural conversation makes content creation feel significantly easier and more accessible. Instead of fighting with prompts and tools, you're focused on creativity and storytelling. Seeing what Flova can do makes it feel like AI video creation that has entered a completely different phase. We're moving beyond simple generation tools and toward creative agents that can actively help creators produce better content. If you're interested in creating viral videos, exploring new monetization opportunities, or simply staying ahead of the latest AI content trends, Flova is definitely worth checking out. Try uploading a viral video that inspires you. Let Flova analyze it, create your own version, and see how close you can get. And if you want to test this workflow yourself, Flova currently gives registered users 200 free credits every week just for logging in. That gives you a chance to experiment with different skills, test new ideas, and build your own creative workflows without a large upfront cost. Sign up for Flova, claim your weekly credits, and try recreating a viral video yourself. I think you'll be surprised by the results.